Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you all about layers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, before I move and use all of the options that are present inside that of the layers panel, make sure to understand about a layer panel. This is one of the fundamental option of Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop, in which you'll have to be using the layers as far as correction of work is concerned. If you want to go so much perfectly, properly in designs, you have to be using layers there. So this is some sort of slight difference there between the options of Adobe Illustrator layers and Adobe Photoshop layers. So I'll be teaching you all of the options inside that of the layer. So let's have a look at this, my friend. Make sure to take polygon and draw that there. Make sure to apply in sort of color there. So I have got that there, my friend. So this time what I need to do, I want to take a type tool there and type something there, like maybe morning. I have increased the size of that and put it there. So you must be observing that there, my friend. So if I click there, you can have control on polygon at the same time. If you click there, you can have control there. But the thing is that if you go for layers, make sure to click there. So this time you must be observing that I have selected polygon inside a layers panel, and if I click there, I have selected that of the text. So this is some sort of a proper and perfect and magnificent and specific way to select anything that you have. But if you go some sort of in deep inside any sort of design, so now then you are not going to be able to select any sort of minor things that you have on interface. For that, you should be going for layers panels and selecting each of the thing individually. So this is the way to select all of the things perfectly inside layers panels. So I have created that. Make sure to delete that out there. This time make sure to take star there. So you must be observing that by default sort of layer is created. This time you have to do what you have to do, make sure to create new style, and this time go for text layer and create that there. This is something I have created manually, and that is something that will be working for you magnificently and perfectly. If you click this layer, this time I have selected star there. If I click there, this time I have selected that there. So this is some sort of beneficial option for you at that time when you have a lot of designs and a lot of things on the interface. At that time, that can be helping you out. So let's have a look at this, my friend. If you want to delete the layer, any layer that you have, make sure to click there and go for yes. And we've got something beside that of the option like create new layer. I have created new layer, and over there we have got create new sub layer, which is also related to layer. So I have created that, my friend. Make release clipping mask. This is something related to mask, which I have already taught you in the previous tutorial. Locate object, and collect for export. So it's all about layers. If you want to hide any sort of layer there, make sure to click there and you're good to go, and you have done that. And then we have got artboard there, my friend, which I can work on this furthermore. Make sure to move it there. So I have got artboard there. Make sure to click there and make sort of new layer beside that of the layer. So I've got two of the layers there present, so which you can observe that. And then we have got something there, like if you want to delete that, how you can delete that. Make sure to double click there and just try to rename that. and have a look at this, my friend. So I've got two of the artboards there. Which one of them is by the name of H, and the second one of them is by the name of R. Move up and move down, and we've got something rearrange all artboards, which you can rearrange that. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye, take care.